So you've unboxed your brand new iPhone and noticed that the display is much dimmer compared to your older model. I'm Vlad from iPhoneTricks.org, and today I'll show you how to fix the dim screen issue for the iPhone 12 series. So obviously, first of all, you would go to control to check out the brightness settings, and you could max it out from the control center like this. And notice the difference is still huge, yeah? Even if you go to minimum. Okay, anyways, so the first option is to go in settings. Yeah, I'll leave this here in the background. I'll open settings. I have to scroll for accessibility. In the zoom section we have a zoom filter. This could be triggered accidentally or from a previous setting. So if zoom is enabled and the zoom filter is set to low light, you will have a dim screen effect. So if I switch for none, you'll see instantly the screen is much brighter. Let's have a comparison now. It's much brighter, but you can still notice that the iPhone XS is brighter. So let's check with maximum brightness settings, and yeah, I'm not sure if it's noticeable on camera. This one is still brighter. There is one more setting that you can check out. I go back to settings, and it's another accessibility setting that I have to check out here, and display and text size menu. Here we scroll for reduce white point. Apparently this is enabled by default in iOS 14, so you can see if I disable reduce white point, the screen gets brighter. In fact, when reduce white point is enabled, depending here on the level, it automatically dims bright colors to help those people with visual impairments. So even if it's at a minimum of 25%, the old iPhone is brighter. As soon as I turn this off, you see the brightness is similar. There's one more thing that I want to add. If you're using your iPhone for gaming or other resource-intensive tasks, you might find out that the screen is automatically dimmed if the device overheats. So you can see this has just happened to me. The iPhone is quite hot, and iOS has automatically dimmed the screen to make sure the device cools down. The battery should cool down to preserve the battery health. In this case, you'd better sign out and leave it a bit to cool down. Okay, this is how to fix the iPhone 12 dim screen issue. If you like it, don't hesitate to share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tips, fixes, and other reviews. See you in the next one. Bye bye.